No, you're going to think I'm crazy, but I can't even stress this enough. It's a trap, and I'll tell you in just a second. By the way, I'm Jeremy Scott, and this is the AI Money Press. What's a trap? I'll tell you. I know, you're going to think this is nuts. It's Dell. Yeah, Dell Computers. Why is it a trap? Look, right now, I'm recording this. It is their after hours of trading and their earnings report, and they're up like 37%. And I know you're going to tell me, Jeremy, it's making good money. Dell is phenomenal. But I just have a cautionary tale. I have a warning for you. And I promise this isn't a play for growth. This is actually a movement towards protection. I know you see 37% growth. You go, whoa, holy cow, they're at an all-time high. Of course, data centers, hardware, software, all the AI boom is going nuts. But I'm telling you to look out for this one. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor. I just track the trends. It's up to you to make the plays. But here's the sneaky part about this. The Pentagon just gave a nice, juicy $9.7 billion gift. $9.7 billion to Dell. Why? It's a 5-year infrastructure play to manage their Microsoft cloud. And on top of that, yes, the government, of course, chipping in more money, picking winners and losers. I seriously hate that. Look, people have to get government contracts, and I agree. The problem is the market manipulation. I really detest it more than anything. It happens every time the government spends money in the private sector. It's going to boost revenue numbers. But I can tell you, it's just propped up with taxpayer money. This isn't real demand. It isn't real market reality here. So did people make money on the Dell boom? Yes, they did. Is there still money to be made? I don't know. Here's really the big thing that worries me, is really quietly behind the scenes, guys, the corporate insiders, they dumped over $1 billion in their own personal stock over the last 3 months, leaving the public to hold the bag. I don't like it. I just don't like it. The stock's now trading double its historical valuation. That is a big danger signal to me. If you want something more solid, go with our guys at Microsoft. If you really want to have a great long-term play, Microsoft has done phenomenal for me historically, because Microsoft actually owns a software that Dell has the license to the federal government, okay? So once again, more picks and shovels, less gold mining. That's what it is. If you got to make a play, Microsoft over Dell every day. That's just me. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. So be it. If you think I'm wrong, put it in the comments. Let me hear it. Give me an earful. I'm totally fine with that. I'm still going to do everything I can to keep you guys up to speed every day on the world of AI and investing, and I'm even going to show you how I make money with AI every month. Just comment the word AI, and I'll send you all the goodies and keep you up to speed on a regular basis. Been my cautionary tale. Thanks for joining me on this one. I'll see you next time.